Hello everybody, Chadwick.cervinski here with you. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have the June 2018 drone drop. So I've already looked in here, sorry, but let's open this thing up together here and show you exactly what is going on this month. Alright, so first thing we got here, we have a sheet of ethics stickers. We've got a Rotor X battery strap. That's very cool. Is that a sign of something to come? We have some TBS flight controller soft mount bobbins, which is okay, but I'm kind of against those now. And what is this? We have 3 sets of HQ 5.1 by 4.6 by 3 Popo props. So I am interested in the Popo system, but my favorite motor is the Multicopter Builder Primos, and they don't have anything yet. So, but I'll definitely be holding on to these for a future build. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, cool. Tiny LEDs. Look at that. 4 of them. That's awesome. Airbot Omnibus F4V51. So this is a full-size flight controller with an upgraded Beck, and it has a barometer built into it, and it's a regular size. So that is great. That can be used for either, you know, a plane, or it can be thrown into a quad. Don't really know when I'm going to use that or whatever, but I might have to throw that onto RC groups, but that is cool. And that's it. TBS lipo bag. Pretty big one too. So very interesting drop. No frame, no Oblivion frames or nothing like there was last month, but nevertheless always cool stuff in the drone drop box. In fact, I'll be applying a couple of these stickers right now probably. Why not? And we'll just make it complete. We'll put it right here next to this TBS sticker. Boom. There we go. Mr. Steele, Canasti, Ruben. Or no, Ruben's not a part of them. Snake, Trappy, awesome. Cameron, good job, man. Love it. Thanks a lot. Drone drop, monthly subscription. Go to droneboxdrop.com. Check them out on Facebook and everything else like that. See you guys next time.